Want to grow your YouTube channel but don't know where to start? That's the question that brings us here today. This video is your starting line, your springboard into the vast and exciting world of YouTube. Our purpose? To provide you with easy, digestible steps to grow your YouTube channel. And we're not just talking about any YouTube channel, we're talking about your YouTube channel. This guide is specially curated for beginners and small YouTubers who are eager to make their mark. We'll dive into the power of social media, how to navigate the complex waters of SEO and the YouTube algorithm, the art of leveraging social media groups, and the importance of consistency. Each of these elements holds a key to unlocking the potential of your channel, to attract viewers, and to keep them coming back for more. So, are you ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level? Scene script. First things first, harness the power of social media. In the vast digital landscape, social media platforms are like bustling city squares teeming with potential viewers. Whether it's Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, or Twitter, each platform presents a unique opportunity to share your content and extend your reach. Think of each social media platform as a different stage. On Instagram, your thumbnail can be the showstopper, enticing users to click the YouTube link in your bio. WhatsApp, on the other hand, is like a cozy living room where you can share your videos directly with friends, family, and contacts. Moving on to Facebook, it's a vibrant marketplace where you can post your video links on your page in groups or even in relevant conversations. It's like leaving a trail of digital breadcrumbs for potential viewers to follow back to your YouTube channel. Let's not forget Twitter. It's the bustling city square where conversations are happening in real time. Here you can share your video links, engage with your followers, and even join in on trending topics to draw attention to your content. Each social media platform offers its own set of tools to engage with your audience. Instagram stories, Facebook Live, Twitter chats, these are just a few examples of how you can create a buzz around your videos. But it's not just about posting and hoping for the best, it's about engaging with your audience, responding to comments, and building a community. The more you interact, the more your audience will feel connected to you and your content. And let's not forget the power of cross-promotion. By sharing your content across different platforms, you're not only increasing your reach but also creating multiple entry points for viewers to discover your YouTube channel. This is the power of social media. It's not just a tool for sharing content, it's a platform for building relationships and growing your audience. So, share those video links, engage with your audience, and watch as your YouTube channel grows. Remember, your audience is on social media, it's time to meet them there. Scene script. Next up, get to know SEO and the YouTube algorithm. Think of SEO, or search engine optimization, as a spotlight in the crowded theater of the internet. When used correctly, it can shine a light on your content and make it stand out from the crowd. Now let's talk about how SEO interacts with the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm is a complex system that decides which videos to recommend to viewers. It's like a matchmaker trying to find the perfect video for each viewer. And just like a matchmaker would use details about a person to find their perfect match, the YouTube algorithm uses information about your video, such as its tags, keywords, and description, to decide who might want to watch it. This is where SEO apps like YouTube Studios, VidIQ, and TubeBuddy come in. These tools help you optimize your video's tags and keywords so that they are more likely to catch the attention of the YouTube algorithm. It's like giving the matchmaker a cheat sheet about your video. YouTube Studios provides analytics that can help you understand what your viewers are looking for. vidIQ offers a suite of tools that can help you research the best keywords for your video. And TubeBuddy offers a keyword explorer that can help you find the most effective keywords for your content. But remember, while these tools can be incredibly helpful, they are not a guarantee of success. They are tools, not magic wands. They can guide you towards the right keywords and tags, but it's up to you to create engaging, high-quality content that viewers will want to watch. And don't forget about the importance of your video's description. It's another opportunity to use keywords and provide information that can help the YouTube algorithm understand what your video is about. So SEO and the YouTube algorithm, they're not so scary, right? It's all about understanding how they work, using the right tools, and creating content that your viewers will love. SEO isn't as scary as it sounds, right? It's all about making your content discoverable. Now let's talk about social media groups. In our journey to grow our YouTube channels, social media groups present an invaluable resource. These groups, whether on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or Twitter, are a hive of potential viewers waiting to discover your content. But how does this work? Well, it's pretty simple. Imagine social media groups as bustling marketplaces filled with people interested in various topics. There are groups for cooking enthusiasts, tech lovers, fitness fanatics, film buffs, you name it. When you share your content in these groups, you're essentially setting up a stall in this marketplace, showcasing your videos to people who already have an interest in your niche. It's a targeted approach that can significantly increase your visibility and engagement. Now let's delve a little deeper. It's not just about sharing your content and hoping for the best. It's also about being strategic and engaging. Respond to comments, participate in discussions, and show genuine interest in what others are posting. This not only helps to build your reputation within the group, but also fosters a sense of community, encouraging others to engage with your content. Here's a tip. Try to find groups that align with your channel's content. If you run a tech review channel, join tech-related groups. If you're into cooking, look for foodie groups. This way, you're targeting viewers who are more likely to be interested in your videos, thereby increasing the chances of gaining loyal subscribers. Also, remember that each social media platform has its own dynamics. While Instagram might be great for visually appealing content, Twitter might be better for quick updates and engaging in trending discussions. So, it's crucial to understand these dynamics and use them to your advantage. In conclusion, social media groups are like a gold mine waiting to be tapped into. They offer a platform for targeted exposure and engagement, helping you reach audiences that are genuinely interested in your content. So, don't just share your videos on your timeline and hope for the best. Venture into these groups, engage with potential viewers, and let your content shine. Social media groups are your secret weapon. Don't be afraid to use them. Lastly, but certainly not least, consistency. This is the cornerstone of any successful endeavor, and it's no different when it comes to growing your YouTube channel. Consistency is the fuel that keeps your channel moving forward, the thread that weaves through every successful story on this platform. Imagine your channel as a train. Each video you post is a segment of the track. The more tracks you lay down, the further your train can travel. But here's the vital part. You can't just lay down a few tracks and then stop. You have to keep laying them down, one after the other, consistently. Only then can your train, your channel, keep moving forward. Now, you might be thinking, but what if my videos aren't perfect? The truth is, perfection is a myth. There's always room for improvement, and that's where the beauty of consistency shines. With each video you produce, you gain invaluable experience. You learn what works and what doesn't. You evolve, you adapt, you get better. The key is to start and to keep going. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your YouTube channel be. It might take weeks, months, or even years for your channel to gain traction. But with each video you post, you're one step closer to your goal. It's a marathon, not a sprint. And yes, there will be days when you'll question if it's all worth it. Days when you'll feel like giving up. But remember, every successful YouTuber has been there. They faced the same challenges, the same doubts, the same fears, but they kept going. They remained consistent. And look where they are now. So, keep the faith. Believe in the power of consistency. Embrace the journey with all its ups and downs. Learn from your mistakes. Celebrate your victories. And most importantly, keep posting. Your hard work will pay off. It's only a matter of time. Keep inspired, keep posting, and keep growing. And that's a wrap. We've journeyed together through the ins and outs of growing a budding YouTube channel. We've discovered the power of social media, where every share, like, and comment on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter can bring your content to a wider audience. We've dived into the world of SEO and the YouTube algorithm with tools like YouTube Studios, VidIQ, and TubeBuddy to help you navigate the waves and boost your channel visibility. We've also explored social media groups, untapped gold mines where you can share your content with like-minded individuals. And most importantly, we've underlined the essential role of consistency. Keep posting. Keep engaging, and keep refining your craft. The hard work will pay dividends in time. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with these steps you're well on your way. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.